Hi, my name is Laura Vito. We have here the Simpsons Lego set, and I'm going to see how long it takes me to build it in one sitting. Here we go! Well, 10 hours later, it's all done. I feel great. All the characters are here, so let's take a look inside. So the set retails for $199.99, and I definitely think it's a good buy if you're a huge Simpsons fan. A lot of love went into putting together this set. And it has all the classic Simpsons motifs that you remember from the show. There are a lot of references. It's clear the designers were Simpsons fans. And I mean, I think if you love The Simpsons and you love Lego, then this is the perfect buy.